Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a 15 minutes healthy and fiber rich meal for dinner, ideal to include as a healthy meal in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe, I'm using half cup of sprouted barley flakes. The reason I'm using sprouted barley flakes is that sprouting reduces anti-nutrients like phytic acid. It helps in mineral absorption such as iron, zinc and calcium. Barley is rich in vitamin C and B vitamins like B1, B2 and B6, along with minerals like magnesium, phosphorus and selenium. Barley is rich in dietary fiber. It helps to keep you feel satiated and fuller for a longer time. Thus, it helps in weight loss and weight management. Barley is low in glycemic index, hence ideal for diabetic management. Always try to source sprouted flakes for better nutrient absorption and for better digestion. Into a saucepan, I'm adding in half cup sprouted barley flakes. I'm adding in 2 cups of water. Turn on the flame and bring this to a boil. Add in half teaspoon sea salt or as needed. 1/4 teaspoon jeera. Give this a stir. Allow this to come to a boil. And once it starts to boil, give it a good stir and reduce the flame to the lowest. Barley may spill over, so always try to use a slightly larger saucepan, otherwise it will spill over. Now cook it until the barley is thoroughly cooked and it becomes mushy. Since the barley flakes are sprouted, it will get cooked really fast. So in about 2 to 3 minutes after it comes to a boil, it will get cooked. 2 to 3 minutes later, it's nicely cooked and it has become really mushy. At this stage, I'm turning off the flame. Now this is a really quick and easy dinner which can be done in just under 15 minutes. Super easy to make and healthy. Once the flame has been turned off, I'm adding in 1 green chilli finely chopped. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Half teaspoon finely chopped ginger. 1 carrot grated. 1 tablespoon coriander leaves finely chopped, and give this all a good mix. The carrot and the ginger will get cooked with the residue heat. Pour the barley porridge onto a serving bowl. I'm heating my tadka pan with 1 teaspoon wood pressed coconut oil. Instead of wood pressed coconut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds starts to splutter, reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in half teaspoon Bengal gram, half teaspoon urad dal, 1 to 2 tablespoon peanuts. Give it a stir. 2 to 3 whole red chilies, a sprig of fresh curry leaves, and give it a good stir. Lastly, I'm adding in a fat pinch of hing, also known as asafoetida. Give it a good stir. Pour the tadka over the barley porridge. And my super healthy, quick and easy barley porridge is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy barley porridge and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.